Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do yet another basic makeup look. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Links and description of all the products will be in the description box and also in the comment box, so do check it out. As always, I'm going to start by prepping my skin, and firstly I'll start with applying the moisturizer. Then I'll apply a lip balm to moisturize my lips and then apply primer once the moisturizer is set. To conceal my pigmentation, I am going to use an orange color corrector over the pigmented areas. With the help of another brush, I am going to just lightly blend it over the skin. Now I am going to apply my foundation over it. And with the help of a damp beauty blender, I am going to blend the foundation with the color corrector very nicely. Don't forget your forehead, ears and neck. You can also use your foundation brush to blend in the foundation. Then to highlight my face, I am going to use a lighter shade of the concealer and apply it on the highlighted areas. Blend the concealer very nicely until it is settled and well blended with the foundation. Then I am going to set the concealer with the compact powder. For my brows, I am going to use the Nykaa brow pencil. I am just lightly tracing the natural lines of my eyebrow and filling in the sparse area. For my eyeshadow, I am using the nude colors only to give a very soft look to it. Then I am applying a very thin layer of the eyeliner. Before I apply the mascara, I am going to lightly curl the lashes and then apply the mascara on the upper and lower lashes both. Then I am going to line my waterline with the Nykaa Kajal pencil. To add some definition to the face, I am going to use the Rimmel bronzer and just apply this on the cheekbone area, nose and the jawline area. For the blush, I am using the lip and cheek tint from Earth Rhythm. I am just lightly dabbing this in with a brush and it gives a very natural glow. You don't have to use any further highlighter to your face. It gives a very natural highlight to your face. To complete the look, I am using the Faces Canada lipstick. This is in the shade Subtle Mauve. All the links will be in the description box and in the comment box. And we are done with today's look. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and do leave your suggestions in the comment section for me.